The square foot rate for electrical work typically encompasses the cost of labor for the electrical installation itself. This includes the necessary materials, the equipment used, and the associated labor expenses. However, it generally excludes the costs associated with other services such as design work, engineering, obtaining permits, or undergoing inspections. The square foot rate usually operates under the assumption that the electrical installation will adhere to minimum code requirements. This ensures that the electrical system is installed and functions safely, in full compliance with all relevant local building codes. Additional costs may be incurred for upgrades, special requirements, or larger electrical loads. Examples of these include additional circuits, a higher amperage service, specialized fixtures or appliances, or heavy machinery or equipment. Phone and cable wiring are typically not included within the square foot rate and are billed separately. This is because these services often necessitate specialized materials and equipment, and the installation process can vary depending on the specific type of wiring and the location of the equipment. When considering whether to use a square foot rate for electrical work, there are several factors to take into account. Firstly, the scope of the project is important. The size and complexity of the electrical project will directly affect the square foot rates. Secondly, consider the materials and equipment. The quality and cost of the materials and equipment used will also influence the rate. Thirdly, think about the labor costs. The prevailing labor costs in your geographical area will have an impact on the base rate. Fourthly, consider additional services. You need to determine exactly what additional services are included in the square foot rate and which ones will require separate charges. Finally, take into account the experience and reputation of the contractor. It is always best to choose a reputable contractor who has demonstrable experience in square foot pricing. By gathering all of this information and carefully considering the factors, you can make a well-informed decision about whether or not square foot pricing is suitable for a specific project.